Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, you're highly welcome. Do not forget to click subscribe and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new video, and also like this video if you find it helpful. Let's start the video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I cornrow my hair from start to finish. To get started, I'm going to start with my gap tooth comb. Yep, I'm going to start by sectioning my hair. As you can see, I have a little dirt in my hair, so I have to wipe it off. I'm going to try as much as possible to section my hair to the middle part. I'm trying to get the middle hair out so that I can easily make the remaining part. I'm going to secure my hair with a band. I'm also going to do the same thing to the other part. I'm going to secure the other one too, after I try to achieve a very clean line. Now that I have the middle secured already, I'm going to comb it out, and I'm also going to add shea butter to give it that shine I want. I'm also going to put shea butter on the hairlines. Now let's start the cornrow process. I'm just going to divide the front part into two, as you can see. Then after I've divided it, I'm going to bring out the third one from the back with my hand and use my finger to pick some hair behind. I'm just going to continue this process. As you can see, my finger, I would pick the ones behind. When I pick the one I've secured by the side, in the process of taking it backwards, I pick some hair with it. I put the other hand behind it, then pick. As you can see, I'm already picking some hair behind. Then I cut it, pick some hair at the same time. I'm going to continue this process till I get to the back. When I was a kid, I just keep plaiting, we call it calabar, and I don't pick hair behind, and I realized that I have a very long braid instead of a cornrow, so I didn't know the technique of picking behind. So the technique of having a perfect cornrow is, after securing the hair you want to pick, you pick some hair behind it, so you have that straight line lying down. So I'm going to continue this process till I get to the back. So I think at this stage, as you can see, the results. So this is what it's going to look like. I'll continue this. I'll just fast forward right now so I can start a new one, so we can start the whole process all over again. Okay, now that I'm done with the first one, this is what the cornrow looks like. With my rat tail comb, I'm going to cut out another set of hair so that I can cornrow it. As you can see, I'm trying to get a very straight line. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially when you're using the cornrow for your wig, but when you're going to carry your cornrow like your natural hair, you need to have a perfect straight line. Mine, I'm just basically making it for my wig. So the same process, I'm going to divide the front part into two. Okay, let's start. As you can see, I've already secured the third one behind. Then my hand goes behind it and picks, okay, more hair. You can see the process. It's really easy. It's not as difficult as it seems, but you just need to get the technique of picking extra hair behind. You need to learn to always pick extra hair behind each cornrow. So you can see my fingernail picking something over there. When you secure the hair, you pick something behind. You go behind, you secure the hair, you pick something behind. That's how you continue the process until you get to the back and you have a very smooth, straight, beautiful looking cornrow. I'm just going to continue the whole process now till I finish this particular one, so that I can cut another one and we can start the whole process. If you didn't get it up to this point, let's try the third one and see how far it goes from there. As you can see, my hair is very dry. I purposely left it like this, not for any reason. Normally when I cornrow my hair, I wet it with water so it's easy for me to handle, but I don't know, I just left it. I guess I was lazy. So now let's move to the third one. I'm going to cut out some hair and secure the rest the way I normally do. Now I'm going to comb it out. I'm going to start by dividing it into two like I always do, and pick it. Yeah, right. Pick it, go to the back, secure it, pick another one, bring it out, pick it, secure it, pick another one. You keep going on and on. You go behind, you pick some, you go behind, you pick some, till you have a perfect cornrow, a good cornrow. At first your cornrow might not be perfect, but over time you realize that your cornrow starts getting stronger. It's not loose, it's more beautiful, it's more defined. You might not get it the first time, it might just be all wiggly waggy the first time, but over time you get the best cornrow. As you can see, my hand is aching at the moment. It's not easy. I actually have to be slow so I can show you very well. And now my hand aches. So I'm going to continue this process till the end. And I'm sweating. I can't believe this. I'm sweating. Oh, well, this is for teaching's sake, so I'm going to continue. I'll keep pushing, I keep striving. Oh my goodness. I'm actually enjoying this. Now fast forward to the last two parts. So at this stage I'm going to show it to the end, how I start it, how I finish it, how I end the mouth of the hair. So same process. By now you should know how to do this because I've taught you over and over and over. So divide, pick behind, keep picking. And when you're making cornrow, you try as much as possible to pick those little baby hair if you want to. That's if you're not trying to achieve a brush effect, like keep some hair at the front, move the hair backwards and plait it. But if you're not, you try as much as possible to pick the baby hair. I have very, very, very stubborn baby hair. I'm tired of those hair. But if you have a wonderful baby hair, knock it out. So you try as much as possible to secure the hair and pick some at the back and keep going till you get to the end. But I advise you to always wet your hair when you want to cornrow. It makes the whole process easier. It makes your hair easy to manage, and it doesn't pain you. It just works out fine. So fast forward to the end. Just going to show you how I end the process. Yep, that ending part I always avoid to plait it to the end, because when I start losing it, it becomes a problem. It becomes, in some cases, I get to cut my hair. So the last one, I'm going to start by, as you can see, I start by picking the baby hair in front first before securing the others. So that's how you're going to go about yours to have a very beautiful effect. At this stage, I'm tired of teaching. Just watch. I believe you should know this by now, and I think you should try it on anybody. You can try it on your mother's hair, you can try it on your baby's hair, you can try it on your husband's hair, your dog's hair. Don't mind me. You can actually cornrow anything that has hair. You can try it on your mannequin's hair. That's the only way you can learn how to cornrow. You can try it by cornrowing anything. Over time, you get used to making good and beautiful cornrows. So at this stage, I'm going to finish this video. Yep, I'm going to twist the mouth, and voila, this is my ASAP cornrow for my wig. So you can see how beautifully made it is. So I'm going to add some shea butter to my hair for shine, and brush the front, brush this stubborn baby hair. I'm just going to take off that earring because it's blocking the cornrow and it's not making you see the beautiful cornrow. So that's the end of the video. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Bye.